Bestie, upgrade that hairy, nasty spin mop to this microfiber mop that separates the clean water from the dirty water. How amazing is that? And it comes with reusable microfiber pads, so much easier to clean and they're not falling apart like the other one. And I didn't know how to use it at first, but I had to watch a video. You do put the water in there, it separates it from that nasty water from out there. You can also add cleaning agents and then you just use it like the regular spin mop. It's not soaking, dripping wet, it's evenly moist. I'm taking a good look of my nasty floor so I can show you guys after. It is a 360 mop, makes it super easy. Look how nasty, ew. It was so nice and hassle-free. This one feels nice and sturdy too. It's not like that cheap plastic. I swear I could probably kick the other one and I would make a hole. And it does have that drainage valve so it can make it nice and easy to clean. And I cleaned the water twice only because I was confused of what I was doing. But you literally only have to change the water one time. And look how good my floors look. Oh my god. And I would hate cleaning the other mop heads because they would get so nasty and hairy. I freaking